Wait, are you going down?
We take the high one, first one or the second one?
We end up at that second one.
Down where that chick is right now?
Yep.
Okay. Little wind blowing in here. All right. Whew. That was kind of thrilling. Oh, we got a skier coming down. Yowza. Yowza. Yeah, a little bit. Coming in pretty hot. Let's see what it's like. Yeah, it's crusty. Whew. Oh.
Get out of here as fast as you can.
Yeah, well, that's how you learn. That's how you learn.
Just get up into those trees.
Yeah. This must have got baked yesterday afternoon or something. Whew. Huh?
I'm gonna go through those trees.
How many? All right.
Well, where do you want to go?
Whatever.
Where do you want to go?
I was just going to shoot this scallop right here.
Okay.
You can go over there though. Go check it out. You're Dean the Explorer Queen. This knows a lot better. A lot better. Slow down. That snow is a ton better.
Yep. There was a couple people in that chute, so I came back out.
That was,
it was really good.
yeah, I had a really good run there. That felt great. Whew. Rock and roll, baby. Ah, shit. Over there? kind of the same thing. Hit my leg when I fell. Kind of the same thing.
I don't know if you can hug a left right there.
Hit my knee when I fell. Just on my ski. I did it the other day too. I can feel it. You want to go down and I'll film you?
No, go ahead.
Got the sun behind us, man. This is some good shooting. Woohoo! Yeah, nice. Oh, that's so much fun. That's just fun, man.